Oh, right now, here we go. Real quick video update on, I want to tell you a little bit about Bitcoin. Our Patreon members, of course, get the full details, but we're looking at a potential reversal here pretty soon, at least an oversold, short covering rally to the upside. Max paying probably 78,000. And so we're looking at this weekend into next week, Monday, Tuesday, probably starting Tuesday of that reversal. And we'll see, okay, about that. Timeline might be a little, a little shorter. We might start reversing even as early as tomorrow. But I think max paying near term is 78,000. We're already 36% down from the all-time highs, and every single previous bull market, Bitcoin, when it pulled back and had a major pullback into the mid to high 30s, we always got a rally off of that. Okay, so and there are some other things I can't really get into, but let's look at some of these small cap stocks. This is what we're bringing our members into and have for a while. Doesn't take a whole lot, to get in here on 1,000 shares, and you actually have money in the market practicing, okay, your skills. And then as they grow, you can start, investing, making that car payment per month, get better and better and better. Maybe, even make partially your mortgage, who knows, and move up from there. But anyway, as we go down the list here, looking for a short position here, big topping tail. That red dash line is previous resistance. Anyway, a few factors here that we teach over there. And then right here, as you can see the white arrow, we covered this the other day, but we're just following up. And see, we bounced down here. We're looking at the 200 to be resistance and maybe a rollover. Now, if it rolls over, we'll keep this short going, okay? We're looking for more downside. But if we close over the 200, we'll take this off, okay? And then the next one is GOSS. The white arrows here, we want to see if we can take out the previous red candle here. So you got a 3 or up, but we didn't take out previous green candle. All right, so we want to, this candle here at one time was red all the way down here today. And that's another trick, guys. I'll give you that freebie. Even with altcoins or whatever you're looking to get into, depending on the timeline, this is a daily chart. So we want to, scale in other words, take a position when it's close to the close. Like right now, we still have 4 hours to go, practically half the day still to go. And who knows if we had gone short here looking for more downside when this candle was all red, we would already be in the red, okay, ourselves, losing money. Okay, so wait till close to the close, maybe an hour before the market closes. But anything can happen during the day. Okay. And then the next one here, Hive, obviously this big red candle we got in on. We're hitting the 200. Now this is what's interesting here. We're hitting the 200, have a low pivot here, previous support, because what do? We bounced to the upside, came back into the 20, bounced again. Okay, do you see a pattern there? Okay, kind of bounced up, came back into where? The 20, hint, hint, bounced, came back into the what? Yeah, 20, and then green candle takes out red. Okay, this is not rocket science. I mean, I couldn't do it. All right, if it was, well, what we do is simple. It's just not easy because all the baggage people bring, you know, from other, from their previous trading experiences because they weren't taught right. Okay, this next one we're setting up. Here's your support. There's your resistance. So we're sitting on our hands. Okay. waiting for a big breakout to the upside or a breakdown to the downside. Okay. And then the next one here, we'll click over here. Okay. And again, this was red all the way down here earlier today, but guess what? Bought up, bought up, bought up, bought up. And so we'll see if we can get this, to close under there. It's actually looking pretty good for a potential breakout. I know that sounds weird, but it's called a 2 down, 1 up, where the next trading day you get this green candle like that. Of course, it's not here yet. We're not going to play it until it confirms, but that huge red candle, if you get two candles closed down in the upper range, okay, normally, on average, high odds, high probability, you get a green candle like that on the next trading day, okay? And then we're looking at this one, haven't done anything. Um, see, right here had the big topping tail closed right on the 20 and today, but we didn't jump in there because it wasn't confirmed. And quite frankly, I was, uh, the 3 count coming up to resistance here, the previous resistance through here on that side and the 20 big popping pill where people sold. I was expecting a red candle. But good thing I didn't jump in, right? Okay, we're going to wait and see what happens. So patience, patience, patience. Let me see actually why is that running? Oh, that's 2 days ago. Okay, nothing today. That's weird. Okay, the next one, R and R. Yeah. Now it looks green, but that's trading view jacked up. Yeah, no formation. Okay. It bounced up and then rolled over, sold out. That's why we got in to the downside on this one. Okay. And see how we're holding, these. Wouldn't it be nice to be able to hold something for a while and just watch it grow and grow and grow? Okay. Now here's a little caveat here. Previous support, red takes out green, but it didn't have any follow through. And then here, the next day, you had green takes out red. So this is a potential support added to the 200 here. We should get a bounce Monday or Tuesday on this. So, call me out. Tell me if I'm lying or not. This RR stock symbol, and we'll see if we get that little bounce. If not, then we'll keep holding it short. Okay. If we get a green candle, Monday or Tuesday, we'll get out of it. But if not, we're going to keep holding it. Okay. There's no guarantees, but it's a pretty good little odds here. So we'll see. Okay. Then SES in up here because of the 20, just called a 20 halt. Okay. Over here, the 20 held and then, helped push, the price up. Here it halted it. Okay. So that's the difference. Coming down to this low pivot, previous support. See the V shape, the bounce, the pivot down up, and see how we're getting a little bottoming candle here, but we haven't put in a green candle yet. Okay, so we're going to keep holding this, holding mode till something happens. But back to Bitcoin, yeah, we need to. Man, this is not looking good. We might actually hit 78,000. That would really freak people out. Matter of fact, 78. Yeah, it'll be a 38% bounce. Yeah, I'm just kidding, not financial advice, but I would take as big of a HELOC loan I could get on my house and put it in, go all in here at around 78,000. Not that we're going to come back up here and take out the all-time high, but we should get a hellacious um, pump here to the upside. Okay. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Hang in there. And Patreon members, we'll keep you posted and updated throughout the weekend. And we will see you on the charts.